OpenClaw is dominating the AI agent space right now. Yeah, call it Clawdbot or Moltbot or OpenClaw, call it whatever you want, but here is the uncomfortable truth. It is not entirely safe to install OpenClaw on your main working machine, because the moment you install it locally, you are giving an autonomous AI agent access to your files, your folders, your environment variables, your API keys, your terminal, possibly even SSH credentials as well. So the best way to run such autonomous AI agent is to run it on a spare laptop or maybe on a mini PC, something like this. But a mini PC something like this can cost you a lot. So in this video, I'm going to show you the smarter way to run OpenClaw inside a private VPS server completely isolated from your main computer. It will have same power and zero risk to your personal machine and full sandboxed environment. So by the end of this video, you'll learn how to deploy OpenClaw just like this on your virtual private server or a VPS, and then how you can access and manage OpenClaw from anywhere in the world. For a VPS server, we are going to use Hostinger. This is probably one of the cheapest way out there to buy a VPS server. In fact, they have recently launched this one-click installation guideline for OpenClaw as well on Hostinger VPS server. You can just go to hostinger.com or just click on the link in description, and after that you can simply just click on this one-click OpenClaw option in here, and from here you can just choose your plan. It will cost you only $4.99 per month. Honestly, it cannot be cheaper than this. There is also this one-click setup guideline as well, and also the AI credits are pre-configured and you get 2 times AI credits bonus as well. So basically they have launched this plan just for OpenClaw. So just go there, simply just click on choose your plan, and even you can explore more options as well. There is KVM1, KVM2. KVM2 actually gives you 2 CPU cores and 8 GB of RAM, 100 GB of NVMe disk space, and 8 terabytes of bandwidth, which is just mind-blowing. So just choose your plan, proceed, buy this plan, make your payments. You can buy this plan for maybe 24 months or 12 months or just maybe 1 month as well. There is this additional ready to use AI option as well. So if you just choose this, you don't have to provide an AI provider separately. You don't have to provide any AI API key separately. All of AI related usage is going to be managed for you for only $4.99, which is really a steal. For more discount, you can use my coupon code, which is Metaverse guy. I have mentioned that on screen, and you can find that in description as well. If you just click on the link in description, the discount will not be automatically applied. You will have to apply this coupon code as well to get the discount. Once everything is finalized, simply just continue and make your payment. And once your payment is made, just go to hostinger.com, access your dashboard. You can simply just click on this My Account on top right, make sure you are logged in, and after that you can just go to the VPS section inside your Hostinger H panel. So this is the VPS section in here. Simply just click on that, and here you can see this is the recently purchased VPS server that I just purchased right now. So I have 2 other VPS servers as well, but I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to use this particular one, and now I'll just simply click on this setup button, and now it is going to ask me choose a server location. In my case, let me just see if I can choose United Kingdom. That's amazing. And now I can just choose my operating system. So inside operating systems, you need to install Docker. So make sure that you just go to application section, and here you can find Docker in here. So you can just like click on this Docker button, and here you can just click on select. And now just set your root password. I'm just going to choose a password. So you can see I have already selected my root password. Make sure that your password meets these requirements. And next, simply just click on this next button. And now simply just click on this finish setup. And there you go. You can see it is now setting up our VPS. It will just take maybe a couple of minutes. So let's just wait for it to finish the VPS setup. It will not take more than 2 to 3 minutes. So just stay on this page, do not close this page. There you go, you can see in less than 2 minutes everything is done. Now I can simply just click on this manage VPS button, and now I can just start managing this VPS server by myself. And here inside, now the next simple step is simply just click on this Docker manager on this left side. Simply just click on this, and then simply just go to your catalog. Once you click on catalog, and here you can just look for OpenClaw, and here you can see we have this OpenClaw in here. Simply just click on this deploy button, and that's it. Next thing is you can add your WhatsApp number or maybe your Telegram bot token as well. If you don't know about that, you can set up your Telegram bot and then provide the Telegram bot token as well. But in my case, I'm just going to provide my WhatsApp number, so I'll just skip that part. So after providing my WhatsApp number, I've just clicked on skip, and now you can see our project is being deployed. And now it is being deployed. It's just going to take maybe a couple of more minutes, and then our project will be deployed on this VPS server. And you can see we have already got these credits for nexus.ai, so we don't need to add any AI provider in here. I can guide you how you can add AI provider as well, but for now you can see we already got these AI credits in here. And there you go, you can see OpenClaw has been deployed. It took less than a minute literally, and now you can just access OpenClaw. Simply just click on this open button in here, and now to access the deployed version of your OpenClaw, all you have to do, you need to simply just copy this gateway token from here and then just provide that gateway token in here. Click on login, and there you go, you have just logged in inside OpenClaw. That's amazing. Now you can just set up your own settings. You can set up your own AI provider. You can set up different channels. Like in my case, I have set up WhatsApp. In your case, you can configure Telegram as well. Now to connect your WhatsApp number in here, you can simply just click on this show QR button, and it will just show you this QR. And next thing that you need to do, you need to just scan your WhatsApp and then scan using this QR code, and then your OpenClaw AI agent will be accessible directly from your WhatsApp number. So once everything is configured, now you can just give it your task. You can give that task from your phone as well, or you can just directly give that task from here, from this chat interface. And there you go, you can see it is fully functional right now. I asked it to fetch the latest news from YC website, so it has already fetched this news from here. Now I can just maybe ask it to present it in web page. By the way, you can just like give it all these tasks from your mobile. I'm just giving it like the dumb task. You can give it more complex task, but the point is to show you that everything is fully functional right now. So this is how you can securely deploy OpenClaw in a private server without giving it access to your main workstation and without buying any extra Mac Mini or Mac Studio, or maybe like using your extra laptop. Just for a few dollars, you can buy a VPS server, then deploy OpenClaw on that VPS server and then use it there. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I see you next video. Bye bye.